Alright guys, today we're looking at a M2 1959 Chevy Apache Deluxe Fleetside. And this one is a Spam truck. So there it is. This one's been out for a little while, so I probably would not recommend you try to go to Walmart and look for this. But I'm sure you can find it on eBay or something. Really cool truck though. I'm gonna get right into it here and open it up for you guys. Alright, so I've pulled the screws out of it already. So I've noticed the base on this truck and the next truck we're going to look at in the next video have the smooth bases, not the diamond plate base. Not sure why, but they do. Here's our truck. Here, let's getting the light a little better here. Here's the truck. Nice dark blue over the yellow, typical Spam colors, of course. There's the front of the truck. I'm assuming the hood opens. Maybe. There we go. The last truck we did, the hood did not open at all, so I was hoping this one was maybe just stuck. There you go. Got your engine in there. Chevrolet Apache 31. Looks like it's got a little bit of a paint defect on this front fender here. Not too worried about it, but there's a couple of them down on the bottom corner there. The B-pillar on this truck is yellow. Kind of breaks up the blue on the back, or on the top part of the two-tone. It's your Chevrolet on the tailgate. There's your base. I still love those tires that's on these trucks from M2. I wish that, they sell those packs of wheels. M2 does. I wish that they sold these wheels by themselves. I'm yet to see any, but it'd be nice. I'm sure the doors open. Oh, they actually open very easily. Sometimes they're a little tight. It's like blue door panels. Oh, blue everything. The seat's even blue. I'm surprised the dashboard is black. I expected the dashboard, I don't know, maybe it could be yellow because there's a blue seat and the rest of the truck's blue and yellow. But just typical black dashboard, typical of the era. Although generally, I guess, these trucks were had gray dashboards, or they were body color, which would have made it probably blue. But there's base of it one more time. I'll get this on the turntable for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next video. And don't knock it till you fried it.